Welcome back to G for Gadgets. Embark on a kinetic journey as we dive into the captivating world of innovative gadgets where motion and technology harmoniously converge. Be prepared to witness symphony of modern marvels. Flux is a whimsical physics gadget resembling a pinball. Dropped in a cylinder, it defies gravity, demonstrating Lenz's law. Hungarian designers assert it can hush jugglers. Though perplexing initially, its anti-gravity becomes predictable. With copper, aluminum or silver cylinders, this stackable toy serves pranks or desk decorative. The liquid timer brings a charm, reminding us of time's fleeting nature. Resembling a vibrant hourglass, it offers a unique visual experience. Droplets descend, creating captivating patterns in water, while colored beads steadily ascend, weaving intrigue as they move upward. It's a tangible and captivating embodiment of time's passage. Meet Morris Model's engine kits. History, mechanics, and art converge in accurate representations of engines. Ideal for enthusiasts, educators, and modelers, these kits display internal parts for interactive learning. The single-cylinder kit, inspired by lawnmower engines, boasts twin cams, 2.5-inch bore and 2-inch stroke. Step into Speks Geode's realm, where magnetic pentagons redefine digital scrolling. With 100-plus combinations, craft shapes or shake for mesmerizing spheres. Mini Speks magnets for sculpting, silicone for stress-relieving creations. Ignite imagination and engineer with Speks Geode. Experience the allure of inception through LoreLab Kinetic Spin. Magnetic connections create mesmerizing patterns as the top elegantly spins. Easily adjustable, it offers versatile motions from wild spins to refined rotations, ensuring endless enjoyment. Immerse yourself in its rhythmic dance, a captivating journey in motion. Witness the scientific wonder with the hot air Stirling engine motor. Fueled by 95% alcohol lamp heat, it transforms warmth into electric energy, lighting a multicolored LED. Fill the burner, warm the cylinder, nudge the wheel, unleash non-stop 8 hours of motion, showcasing energy conversion's marvels. Dive into this captivating realm of science today. Gamegenic's Crystal Twister. The Crystal Twister is an acrylic dice tower with an HDF base, providing a unique sound effect as dice tumble down. Compatible with various dice types, it's a popular gaming accessory. Whether light, plastic, or heavy metal, the tower ensures captivating gameplay. Its easy assembly without glue and compatibility with different dice make it a favorite among gamers. Ono Roller. Experience a calming, tactile delight with the Ono Roller. Crafted from aircraft-grade anodized aluminum, its smooth, comforting surface provides a satisfying grip. Roll it in your palm to ease stress, strengthen fingers, or enjoy a gentle massage. Encased in a pouch, it's a portable companion for relaxation on the go. DMaos Fidget Spinner. DMaos offers a high-quality metal brass fidget spinner to relieve stress and anxiety. Ideal for adults seeking relaxation and distraction, it helps quit stress-related habits. Beneficial for conditions like depression, ADHD, and autism, the spinner boasts anxiety-relieving properties. Perfect for working, relaxing, or studying, it's designed with 4 gears for easy spinning. Fly Nova Drone. Redirect kids' screen time with the Fly Nova Drone. Offering gravity-defying hover capabilities, 360-degree rotation, and multiple speeds, this advanced flying spinner is a captivating alternative. With motion sensors, it follows diverse flight paths, performing tricks and maneuvers. Designed for indoor play, this drone guarantees hours of entertainment with minimal impact on surroundings. That's all, folks. Hope you subscribed. Comment which gadget you want to try the most. See you in the next one.